नींदें थमती थी।
हर पतन में आपने संभाला,
हर भ्रम में रास्ता दिखाया।
आपने ही तो बताया कि हार में भी जीत होती है।
हर अंधेरे के पार एक नई रीत होती है,
एक नई रीत होती है। Indeed, a lovely morning, everyone. I am Mani Mehak,
And I am Sarah Khan.
and today we have gathered here to celebrate the real superheroes of our lives.
Well, this ain't just any another boring speech, but a moment to honor all our future builders.
Sarah, let me tell you, I became part of this DAV family just a year ago. And trust me, the memories that I have made here is enough for me to carry throughout my whole life.
Oh wow, it is indeed something we should be grateful for. And what can I say about our DAV family? It's literally our second home.
Exactly.
So, let's dedicate our words to them one by one.
Starting off with our honorable principal, sir. Sir, these few lines are dedicated to you. Rules may sound strict, but they really care. Rules may sound strict, but they really care. Our principal sir efforts are always there. Behind his guidance, one thing is clear. Yes, friends, behind his guidance, one thing is clear. He wants our future shining in here, shining in here.
To our beloved Rabbani ma'am and all the other English teachers. You catch our mistakes big or small. You catch our mistakes big or small, a missing comma, you spot them all. From metaphors to simile, you guide us towards our future. Words are really never enough for our English teachers, for our English teachers.
Well, this is for the one who showed us the motherly love and care even in school and literally made us feel like our second home. Kakoli ma'am, along with all the other biology teachers, these lines are dedicated to you. Mitochondria, the powerhouse we all can say. Mitochondria, the powerhouse we all can say, because Kakoli ma'am drills it in every way. From heart to lungs to brain so cool. From heart to lungs to brain so cool, she indeed makes the biology classes the best in school, the best in school.
Now, Mahiti, how can I forget about my class teacher? The one and only Shaswati ma'am, along with all the other chemistry teachers. Periodic tables, acids and base. Periodic tables, acids and base, she teaches them all with style and grace. In every bond and chemical clue, we find a chemistry teacher's magic too, a chemistry teacher's magic too.
Sarah, let's not forget about our supercalifragilisticexpialidocious physics teachers. Well, Newton gave us law, Einstein gave us relativity. Newton gave us law, Einstein gave us relativity, but you guys gave us patience, guidance and creativity. Even when we feel like our body at rest, you guys apply the right amount of force to make us do our best, to make us do our best.
Now, जिसने हमें अंधेरे में दीपक बन उजाले का रास्ता दिखाया, जिसने हमें अंधेरे में दीपक बन उजाले का रास्ता दिखाया, वो गुरु ही है जिसने हमें जीवन का सही अर्थ समझाया, जीवन का सही अर्थ समझाया। ईला मैम और बाकी सभी हिंदी शिक्षक, ये आपके लिए। कविता हो कहानी या व्याकरण की राह, कविता हो कहानी या व्याकरण की राह, हिंदी शिक्षक से ही मिलती है हमें ज्ञान की चाह। शब्दों का मान, भाषा का ज्ञान, शब्दों का मान, भाषा का ज्ञान, जरा गौर फरमाइएगा। हमारी हिंदी शिक्षक ही है हमारी पहचान, हमारी हिंदी शिक्षक ही है हमारी पहचान।
So this is for the one who made the toughest subject seems most interesting. Yes, friends, you probably must have guessed it right. This is for all our genius mathematics teachers. You are the one who solved the biggest problem of all, making maths fun. From finding x to equating a sum. You multiply our knowledge, subtract our doubts. Even better than the other Google Scouts, even better than the other Google Scouts.
Now, these lines are for the commerce teachers of our school. Balance sheet might give us pride, but you make every entry right. With you, commerce is never boring, cause even GST feels worth exploring, GST feels worth exploring.
Well, this is for the one who even made our boring days fun. From Shruti to Sur, he teaches us with flair. From Shruti to Sur, he teaches us with flair, even when we sing like a rusty snare. He laughs it off, makes practice fun. He laughs it off, makes practice fun. Without Avneet sir's music's never done, music's never done.
Now, these lines are for Pathak sir and all the other SST teachers of our school. History speaks, geography shows. History speaks, geography shows. Civics explains and economics grows. Together, you teach us wisdom's art and leave your mark in every heart, leave your mark in every heart.
Well, this is for the teachers who gave us logical and passive learning. Goshal sir, along with all the other computer teachers, this one's for you. From loops to logic to functions so neat. From loops to logic to functions so neat, our computer teacher indeed makes coding a treat. Control plus C may copy, control plus V may paste. Control plus C may copy and control plus V may paste, but your teachings are unique and gets never replaced and will be never replaced.
Now, these lines are for the PhD teachers of our school, Kundan sir and Nayan sir. Whistle in hand with energy so bright. Whistle in hand with energy so bright, our PhD teachers makes fitness a delight. From yoga mat to football ground, from yoga mat to football ground, with you the real sports spirit is found, the real sports spirit is found.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma, Tashmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tashmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Dilip sir, along with all his Sanskrit colleagues, this one's for you. You gave us key to ancient treasure. You gave us key to ancient treasure through Sanskrit lessons, a timeless pleasure. From Vedas to verses, you guide our way. From Vedas to verses, you guide our way. This is for all our Sanskrit Guru that we honor today, that we honor today.
Now, these lines are for the art teacher of our school, Bablu sir. This is for you. With every shade you make us see, the hidden artist inside sets free. Colors, brushes, canvases and more. Color brushes, canvases and more. She really opens the creative door. He really opens the creative door. Now to the librarian of our school, Patnaik sir and Kanchan ma'am. These lines are for you. From books to stories, from facts to fun. From books to stories, from facts to fun, our library teacher guides everyone. In empty hallways where knowledge stays, our library teachers lights the way. Our library teacher lights the way.
Let's not forget about the staffs who works behind the scenes. Amit sir, along with all his other office staffs, these few lines are dedicated to you. From account to finance, they manage everything in silence. From account to finance, they manage everything in silence. Though not always on stage, but your role is prime. Though not always on stage, but your role is prime. Oh, office staffs, you manages both people and time. You manages both people and time.
Last but not the least, these lines are dedicated to the motherly figures of our school. The ones who helped us take the first steps of our school life.
You checked our homework with eagle eyes and caught us fast whenever we told white lies. You checked our homework with eagle eyes and caught it fast whenever we told white lies.
Teacher, did dog eat my homework today?
You simply smiled and said, nice try, okay?
Dear Beena ma'am and all the other foundation teachers, you really deserve an applause for handling our drama without a pause. From tying our shoelaces to calming our cries, you guys are the real superheroes in disguise, the real superheroes in disguise.
Dear future builders, so you know the words will never be enough to express our gratitude towards you. But I hope this small act might have done it all for you. I would also like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the non-teaching staffs of our school, without whom this would have never been possible. You guys are indeed the backbone of our school, and without you all, our school management will definitely collapse.
And we would also like to apologize if we missed any subject or teacher, because trust me, without you all, our DAV family will forever be incomplete.
Now as I end, I don't want to say goodbye, because the lessons of a teacher never really ends. They go in every success, every dream turning into reality, and every failure turned into courage. So today, instead of a conclusion, I would like to offer a promise that we, your students, will carry your words as our compass, your values as our armor, and your love as a light of our life. Because teachers, you are not just another chapter in our story. You guys are the very ink that makes our story worth reading, that makes our story worth reading.
Thank you so much for your time and patience. We really appreciate it. And of course, Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mahir and Tara, for those touching words. Back home